To be one YouTube,
One chicken rice YouTube.
one chapter, one episode. So
I have a
Nazir,
plate.
our fellow Malaysian who works in Kuwait, cooking chicken rice for us today. How privileged. And the chicken has been painstakingly cleaned with Kangen water. Kangen water from the machine, machine. You see, this goes through 3 stages of filtration. Wow. You are really leading a good example of living a healthy lifestyle, Nasir. Proud of you. Rare. Proud of you. Proud. Very rare.
Thank you, Mom.
Very rare. For a man, especially Malaysian men. Proud of you.
Arigato.
Yeah.
That's what you're waiting for.
Yeah. Why he doesn't take the freshwater fish?
I know from her small, I think from a younger age, just like that. Maybe the taste wasn't that good.
But you know they use river fish to make into perkasam kan? The
Yeah.
fermented fish.
Yeah. So the custom one,
Uh,
she will make on her own.
Ah.
She'll make everything. So she will buy the ikan kembung and she'll make perkasam.
Oh, ikan kembung is sea fish kan?
Seafish.
So she just will not use the river fish at all.
No.
Wow.
So that's why my younger days I eat a lot of things that I cannot eat anymore now because my mom she's not there to do it for us anymore.
Ah.
So I'm very particular. I have to be quiet for the OCD. Shop that when we order tapao, because I don't like tapao. Because they like to put the oyster.
Yeah, and hot soup into the plastic bag, right?
Yeah. And sometimes soup. They put in the plastic bag. Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Imagine
I
the
feel like if I drink, if I take from there, I feel like
Yeah.
I've done a big sin to myself.
Can you imagine that they cook ketupat in the plastic, little plastic bag? That's worse, isn't it?
Now I live with it. But you know, you just come there to detox ourselves.
Yeah, yeah.
What to do? You cannot live, you cannot run away from that. So
Yeah.
that's why we have this machine to neutralize those dogs. They're here.
Cute lah. Hello, welcome all our fellow Malaysians, kan? All fellow Malaysians.
Yes,
Yeah. Good to see fellow Malaysian in Kuwait.
KL, Sabah. Still need to mention the state. Negeri Sembilan, you? KL. KL. KL.
Wow. Kita pun datang dari KL.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome.
Okay.
Jess, are you preparing for the chili sauce for chicken rice?
Huh? Of today. Yes. Oh. Wow. Good day. Rice.
Yeah.
Chicken rice from
Sure. TikTok. Okay. Best in the world.
From the beautiful chef, master chef,
Yeah.
Jasmine.
Yeah.
Pochi.
Bigger.
I could see.
Very well.
Nasi daging means the.
You boil the beef
Uh-huh.
like we make chicken rice.
Okay.
then you cook the rice with the beef stock.
Oh.
Right? Then you put tomato,
Mm.
soup. You put susu cair. What do you call that?
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Evaporated milk.
Mm.
And the tomato soup must be this one. I have it. I keep everything.
Cheers.
Must
Heinz.
be Heinz.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good quality stuff.
Yeah. Tomato soup. Okay. Don't need to take this. Lemak-lemak tu ni. Must be good now. Press the door, press the door. Is enough the serai?
Yeah, should be okay.
Hi, Meira.
Auntie Connie.
Cik Connie. This is Uncle.
Hello.
Buat apa kat atas tadi? Kau makan tak?
Balik gym tu mandi.
Oh, gym. Yeah, you went to the gym.
Pergi kelas pagi.
Kelas pagi. Morning. The boiled chicken. Yeah. Her father is Chinese.
Half Chinese, half Malay.
Okay.
Penang. Father is Chinese from Penang.
Hokkien.
Cannot. Try but fail.
Fail.
I live 2 floors above.
Oh,
Yeah.
so close.
Yeah.
She lives only 2
2
floors
floors. Yeah,
above.
2 floors above. 7 floors. Cik Connie, this is Sharon.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Ni baru masuk kan? Kita dah habiskan oren-oren yang ada. Ada lagi ke oren manis tu? This is Lobna. Lihat kamera.
Aunty cantik.
Thank you.
Wee. My ugly cutting skill.
Fun. Chicken cook.
Tajam kan? Tajam? Apa Kak Ni dah sakit hati?
So tadi dia nak krem dah potong minggu tu.
Tak ada kali dah.
Level siu.
Akak 2 kali. Lepas tu tak isi 2.
Itu dia pilih orang dia ada macam.
Akak pula tak kacau lah dia. Masa tu dia tunjuk dia ni.
Cuci dulu.
1,5 cup.
Muat ke tu?
Macam tak muat je. Pakcik, tak muat pakcik. Jangan pakcik. Nak periuk si Sharon ke? Nak periuk Sharon ke? Better.
Yeah.
You have to remember. Bukan jadi nasi
This count, you
again.
just put your finger in.
I don't
Oh,
want.
panas.
Number 4.
Bye.
5.
Bye. Cik nak buat apa?
Ha?
Ada tak?
Sedap kan?
Macam mana itu chicken soup?
Fantastic.
Kuah sate ya.
Puas kan?
So boleh buat part time eh. Sell chicken rice, Malaysian chicken rice in Kuwait. Thank you Kak.
Sekejap, Kak kena rasa.
Where's the
Cover.
cover? Chicken stock, chili, garlic, and the halia.
My mistake.
Halia also. You have to put some salt also.
No, because this one is salty already. So you blend first, and then you might have to add vinegar and some sugar.
Oh, okay. Alright. We have to close the door.
Kau open kadang banyak.
Dulu tapi
Shift, shift.
Smells, but belum taste lagi lah.
Smell only.
taste.
Sugar. You need sugar.
Sugar and lime juice.
Okay.
The selapang ni.
Soup in the soup.
Soup, yeah.
Emily? Emily toilet. Oh, Emily toilet. Kata mana?
Kati start with dessert first.
Oh, kata dessert first. Okay.
Wow, dessert first.
Aku bawa kat ni.
Sharon,
Bawa dari sarapan. Why you eat this first?
play the movie ah.
I start with this first, the sweet snack.
Next time kita tahu apa nak bagi hadiah.
Tenduk. Dia dah bagi dia apron.
Very nice.
Right, okay. Tak apa.